As a local family-owned heating and air conditioning company since 1992, Ductworks HVAC Services takes pride in providing quality service to our customers. With expert service members standing by 24 hours a day, we can do it all. From repairs and maintenance to replacement and new construction, our focus is always on delivering expert care and reliable services for your unique needs.
Our customers are always our top priority. We are honored to have been awarded the prestigious Carrier Presence Award for the past 4 years. We would like to thank our customers and our employees for making this all possible.
I have confidence in what they know, and I know that they're honest and do the very best they can to serve everybody.
Ductworks HVAC Services is ready and available to handle all your commercial or residential HVAC jobs. Call us today or stop by our new state-of-the-art facility to see our products and learn about our services.